Well, we're on the offside front wing, and Wasif's gone over the whole side of the car with a medium cut, which now leaves the deeper scratches can easily be seen. And I'll see if I can catch some of them, but it's really difficult in this colour and this light. But I'm just wet flatting out some of the scratches that are going to be totally visible when somebody walks past the car, so I'm going to try and get them down. I can't measure the paint on this because it's fiberglass, so I'm doing everything by eye. There's some deeper ones along here that I haven't been able to get it all out, but they were quite bad. Very, very difficult to show up. But anyway, they're coming down to a point where you've got to look for them to find them. So I'm going to crack on and start polishing this flattening up. I've just noticed there's just at the end of that, there's a couple more scratches. So I'll get them flatted and get on with it. See you in a bit. Found a few more deep, excuse me, deep scratches which I've now flatted using 3000 Trizac wet and 6000 Trizac wet. I'm now going to polish it and see if I've managed to get them out. But the others I showed earlier, that's all come out fine, and the real bad ones that was over the wheel arch, they're almost invisible. So we're making good progress, slow but good. Meanwhile, in the other half of the ranch, Wasif's stripping the calipers off. We now decided we're going to change the caliper colour. While the wheels are off, they're going to be re-cleaned and polished and then coated when the G-Technic C5 arrives. So he's cleaning everything up and preparing the caliper for paint using Scotch Brite pad, wire brush where necessary. So that'll add a little bit of sparkle to it as well. So I'm going to get on now and polish this, and we'll have a look later. Well, I've managed to get the wing to a finish. There are a few battle scars still in there, but with a bit of wet flatting, it's made them almost invisible. So tomorrow we'll give all this a wipe down and then start wet flatting the deep scratches. I wish I was better with this camera because I could show you the scratches, but there's some real bad, you know, all over the place. There's some deep scratches about. And I'm going to just wet flat them to start with. I should just wet flatted the whole wing when I started this morning because it's virtually all been done anyway. So this side now has been done and finished. Again, it'll all be wiped down before the G-Technic ceramic coatings go on, but it's been wiped down with panel wipe, so there's no grease residue or any fillers left in any of the scratches. I've got as many out as I possibly can, and the car is going to look absolutely naughty. Can't wait to see it finished outside. Still a lot to do for us yet though. So I'll see you on the next one.